everyone, welcome back to my channel Drag to Fab. So how are you all? I hope all are doing great. So wish you all a very happy Diwali, and this video is going to be this particular Diwali glam easy look. And if you have not watched my previous video, that was also on Diwali makeup, get ready with me. उसमें मैंने makeup, dresses, outfit, hair, footwear सब कुछ show किया है. So go fast and watch that also. The link is provided in the description box. Now without further ado, let's quickly jump into the video. So all the first I'm using Pond's moisturizer, and it's a very important step. No skin type should stop using this step or skip this step. So after this I'm going to moisturize my lip. For that I'm using Nivea lip balm in the shade Cherry, and after that I'm going to use foundation, and this is Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Natural Buff. Now because this is a matte foundation, I'm going to add the same moisturizer so that it gives me a little dewy finish, and I'm loving the finish. Just see the glow. So that's it. I'm blending it with the help of a beauty blender. This is a Dab Beauty sponge. So after foundation I'm using concealer, and this is also from Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Sand Sable, and I'm going to highlight as well as conceal my dark spot with the same concealer. Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade Light 15 to set my entire face before the concealer and foundation start greasing out. And now I'm just going to comb my eyebrows naturally. That's it for the eyebrows. NYX setting spray to set my makeup whole day long. And now moving on, I'm using Maybelline Master Contour Palette to bronze my face. Biotic blush in the shade Coral, and it's a matte blush. Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Precious Petals to highlight my high points. And now finally, moving on to the eyes, I'm using Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette and taking that coral orangey type of a shade and applying it on my crease and blending it very nicely. Next, taking that lighter brown shade from the same palette and applying it only on my outer corners as well as the inner corners, leaving the center area.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
And now blending is the key, so make sure to blend everything very nicely. Now I'll be doing the same thing on my other eye and applying the same shades, both the shades, on my lower lash line as well. So after this step, that's how my eyes are looking at this point of time. Now to add some sparkle, because it's Diwali, So it's glitter eyeshadow from Swiss Beauty, and I'm applying it only on my center area. And the shade name is Champion.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't
Now taking that darker brown shade from the same palette and applying it only on my outer corners to create some more depth.
to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go through the wastelands.
Moving on, this is Faces Canada Kajal to line my waterline as well as tightline my upper lash line.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
And lastly, to complete the whole eye look, I'm using mascara, and this is Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. And I'm going to use another layer of mascara also, which is also from Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara, to add some falsies effect, although I'm not wearing falsies. And I'm sorry guys if there is some voice disturbance today, that's because of the festive season going on. Now I'm using the same highlighter to highlight my inner eye corner and under my brows. So lastly, to complete the whole look, I'm using Maybelline Super Stay Matte Lipstick in the shade Versatile, and here is the completed look. And also again, I'm using the same setting spray to set my set my makeup.
आंखें कहती है बैठे तो मेरे रूबरू तुझको देखूं, इबादत करता रहूं.
So that's it for today's video. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you very soon in my next video. Until then, take care, keep glowing, and bye.